The purpose of my program is to let the user enter one letter from A to Z, and then the program finds and set all the countries that start with that letter. First, I will run the full program, then I click on the green flag. The Chrome will reset to the country database. Then it tells the user, I will show you all the countries starting with the letter you want. After that, it asks the user to enter a letter. For example, if I type A, the program searches through the country list and says the countries that start with A, such as Afghanistan, Albania, A something. My code works by using a list I created on this part to store the countries that matches the user letter. The starter code already has a big list called my database, which contains all the countries' name. I also use another list called my list. This list starts empty, and then the program adds matching country into it. At the beginning, the reset block prepares the program by setting up the country database. Then the program asks the user for input and stores the answer. The most important part of my program is the if-else statement. The if part checks whether the user type valid input. The input must be text, and its length must be exactly 1. That means the user should only type one letter, not a full word or multiple letters. If the answer is valid, the program countries. If the answer is not valid, the else part runs and the program says sorry, invalid input. After the search is finished, the program checks if the length of my list is 0. This means no countries were found. If that happens, the program says there are no countries that start with that letter. If the list is not empty, the program says here are the countries that start with the letter. Then it uses another for each item in my list loop to see each matching country one at a time. If I didn't use a list, I would have changed my program a lot. I would need many separate variables like country 1, country 2, country 3, and so on. That would be very hard because I do not know how many countries will match each other. Thank you.